Hello guys, and welcome to the 7th Java MS Access database application tutorial. And in this tutorial I will show you how to create a report for our database application. So we will be using IReport plugins to create a report. So first of all, I'll show you how to download IReport plugins and how to install them in the NetBeans. So go to your web browser and in the Google type NetBeans. Go to NetBeans website, and then in the NetBeans website select plugins, and in the plugins page select IReport. So when you click on IReport, it will give you a download link here, IReport plugins, and there is download. Click on download. It will take you to the Jasper Forge website. Okay, so in that website click on download IReport now. So when you click on this button, it will then take you another page, and in this page click on plugins for NetBeans IDE 3.x. Okay, this will, I've already got them, so I'm not gonna download them again. So just click on them, click on it, and it will download a zip file. So when the zip file is downloaded, extract the zip file, and you will see there are four files with the extension .nbpm. Those are plugins file for NetBeans. So after you extract those files, then you are ready to install them on the NetBeans. So how to install them on the NetBeans? So open the NetBeans and click on Tools, and then click on Plugins, and after that click on Downloaded, and in Downloaded click on Add Plugins. So then it will give you a dialog box. Select your extracted files which you downloaded and extracted. Select all those 4.nbpm file and press open. When you open them, it will show you here all those four files, and this install button will be active. Just click on this install button and it will install all these plugins. So after you install all these plugins, you will be ready to create a report in the NetBeans. So how to create a report? So click on File, New File, and then you will have a report option here. Then select Report Wizard, click Next, and then it will give you a report templates. Select any report template. I will select this coffee landscape, click Next, and then the file name you want to give to your report, I will keep the default report1.jrxml, and the folder will be source folder of your project. Okay, so click Next, and then select, normally you will have empty data source. I've already configured its db1, but I'll show you how to configure. So click on New and select the database connection. In our case is database JDBC connection, as we are connecting through as we are connecting to a MS Access database, so we are using JDBC drivers, and click Next, and here from JDBC driver drop down list select JDBC drivers. Okay, so this one, JDBC bridge. Okay, and then here remove this DS name and just type the database name, whatever the database name is. In my case db1, and then type the name of, I'll type here db1, and then give the name of your connection. I will type db and click test. Password, if you have any password. I don't have. Connection test successful. Okay, after that just click save. I won't click save because I've already configured it. I'll click cancel. So it will show your database here. So when database is there, you need to design query, and then in the query select whatever fields you want from your database to be displayed on your report. In my case I want my full table to be displayed. So I just click on table 1, all 3 fields in my table, and press OK. It will give you with the query. Click next, and it will give you all the fields. So select the fields you want to be displayed on report. I want all these 3 fields to be displayed on report, so I select them and press next. And I don't want to group my fields in any order, so I'll click next, and then report is ready to be used. So I click finish, and the report is done. So here's the report. Here you can this is the designer view, so you can amend and do anything. I will change the title. I will write it creativity tips. Okay, so if you preview the report, you will see that all your records, all my records are displayed here. Mark, Matt, Chris, Swan, Hill, Ibram, and age. All the data in my report is displayed on the report. Okay, so my report is ready to be used. So how do I want to know? I will put my report, I'll create a button on my JFrame, so when I click that button, then report should be displayed. So how to do that? Report is done. Now we will add our report to our JFrame. So first of all, what you need to do is, before you start writing code to integrate your report on your JFrame, you need to go to your libraries, your DB, whatever your project name is. In libraries, you need to add libraries. So right click, add jar folders, and go to my computer, C drive, and program file, and look for Java folder, and Java, and then here you will have Jasper report library. So click on, open this one, and select all these jar files. You don't need all of them, but there are only about 5-6 we need, so I can't be bothered to choose one by one. So just select all of them and open, and these all will be added into your libraries. Now we added libraries. Now we need to import 2 libraries here. Import net.sf .jasper reports .view .static. Okay, then we need to import another. Import net.sf.jasper report .engine .static. So these 2 libraries we need to import. So we imported the libraries. Now we will create a button. Okay, so we'll create one button, J button. I'll name it report equal to new J button. Okay, so I will have text report on that button. Okay, then I will add that button on my panel, so it is displayed on my frame. P.add wrap. So button is added on the panel. Now I will write action listener for this button, so when I click this button, report is displayed. So I go down in the method where I wrote all my action listener. At the bottom of that, I will write action listener for report button. So rep dot add action listener, new action listener, curly bracket, enter, and then a method public void action performed action event e. Now in that method we will write the code for our report. So first of all, we need to give the path for our report. So I'll create a string variable. I'll name it report equal to No, I need to give the path. So my report is saved in the source. If I click on properties, I get here the path. This is the path. I'll just copy it, close it, close it. Hopefully it's copied, and Control V. So this is the path, but remember one thing, whenever we give path in Java, we need to write double slash instead of single, because single slash is a escape character, so your path won't be correct. So always double slash. So I'll make all these slashes double. Okay, so I've given my report path. Now I will create an object of Jasper report JR equal to Jasper compile manager dot compile report, and the report I will give as the report as our argument. This report I will give as the argument for this one. It's throwing an exception. I need to catch that exception in try and catch block. So I'll just cut this code and paste it in the try block. Okay. So I've created a Jasper report object JR and Jasper compile manager dot compile report, and I've given as an argument report, and this report variable is a string variable which holds the path to the report. So this Jasper report object will compile the report. Okay, and then press enter. And one thing, in this report path, the report we choose is .jrxml. So do not choose Jasper, always choose .jrxml file, and then we need to compile that jrxml file before we use. And after that we need to create another object of Jasper print jp equal to Jasper fill manager dot fill report, and this will fill our report. It takes three arguments. First one is the compiled report. In our case, compile report is this Jasper report JR. This is the compile report. And then second argument in our case is null. Second argument is the parameter. If you have any parameter for your report, then you give as its second argument. But we want our report to display all the data in the table, so we don't have any parameter. And the third is the connection variable. In my case, is con. So from where you can get the connection variable? Remember, we developed our connection in our DB class. So our connection variable is con. So all you need to give the connection variable name as a third parameter of Jasper print object. Okay, if you do not give the connection variable, then your report won't have any data on it. It will be empty. So don't forget to give connection variable in your Jasper print object. Okay, the third one is, and the final one, Jasper viewer dot view report, and this will take a Jasper print object as its argument, which in our case JP. Alright, so that is it, I believe. Okay, now we run our program, and when we click, it should run the report. So here is our program, here's our new button report. When I click the report button, it displays the report. You see, and it displays all the data, Mark, Matt, Chris, Sven, Hill, Abram, and the ages, and the report title, creativity threads. And you can print the report, or you can save the report, then, or you can close the report. Alright, so this is how you create report in NetBeans, and this is how you integrate that report on your Swing application, on your JFrame, on, or when you click the button, the report will be displayed. So that is it for this tutorial. Hope it helped you, and if you have any problem understanding any code of this tutorial, please don't hesitate and send me an email. I will help you. I think this is the last tutorial in this Java database application series. So if you need any further tutorial in this series, then please do let me know. Please do send me an email. And thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.